Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to quickly break down a core tech concept, virtualization. We will cover what a virtual machine is and why it's so useful. Then we will jump into a quick demo where I show you how to create your own Linux VM using a free tool called VirtualBox. Let's get right into it.
So, what is a virtual machine or VM? Imagine your computer. It has hardware like a CPU and RAM with an operating system like Windows running on top. Now, what if you wanted to run Linux without buying a whole new laptop? That's what virtualization lets you do. It allows you to run a complete, separate operating system inside your current one, almost like it's just another application. This is all possible thanks to a special piece of software called a hypervisor. A great free one is VirtualBox. It basically asks your main OS to borrow some hardware resources, a bit of CPU power, a chunk of RAM, and uses them to build a self-contained virtual computer. The best part is that these VMs are completely isolated. They are like safe digital sandboxes. If you accidentally break something or get a virus inside the VM, your main computer is totally unaffected. You can just delete the VM and start over. This makes them perfect for a few key things. Learning a new OS like Linux without any risk, safely testing new software or potentially risk code, developing applications and checking how they work on different systems, all from one machine. The type of hypervisor we are using, VirtualBox, is a type 2 because it runs like an app on your main OS. This is perfect for personal use. But big companies and cloud providers like AWS or Google Cloud use type 1 hypervisors. These are installed directly onto the server hardware or bare metal for maximum performance. When you rent a server in the cloud, you are really just getting a VM running on one of these massive physical servers. But the biggest revolution from virtualization is this: your entire server, the OS, your apps, all your data is packaged into a single portable image file. Before this, if a server's physical hardware died, you were in huge trouble. Now, if a machine fails, you can just take that image file and instantly run it on different hardware. It's like having your entire computer saved in a single file that you can copy and move anywhere. This idea is what makes modern cloud computing possible. So, understanding virtualization is a foundational skill for anyone in tech. It completely changed how we build and manage software, and you will see it everywhere, whether you are in development, IT, or cloud engineering.
All right, now I'm going to show you the demo. First thing is go to Google and download the VirtualBox Raku and go to downloads binaries and go to Windows host because I'm on Windows at the moment. So downloads, yes. Open it, install it. Just say next, accept, next, next. Yes, just say yes and yes. Install. Just don't start it yet, just finish it and close this. Now the next thing is that you need to go to we need to basically download the Ubuntu image. Okay, to ISO, go to download Ubuntu desktop. Yeah, Intel or AMD 64-bit architecture you want to download. So just download this. So the file is 5.9 GB. So let me pause the video and I will come back once it is downloaded. Okay, I finished downloading.
So let me go to downloads, and if you see, if you have the ISO image of Ubuntu, close this. Now let me open the VirtualBox. Now, after VirtualBox is installed, click on New. Give any name like my, and this folder is nothing but this is where you are telling VirtualBox to save the Ubuntu's folders. Okay, and if you see here, it says ISO image not selected. Go here, others, and in the downloads you have this Ubuntu ISO image. Just select that, uncheck this, and just select next. And this is the important part. This is where you are sharing your host resources like CPU and memory to the virtual machine. So in this case, I'm just increasing a little bit. It's okay, I have over 100 GB RAM, and CPU also I'm going to increase to 2. It's okay, and let's say next and finish. That's it. Now once this is set up like this, go to start, say start with GUI. I think for the first time it takes little bit of time, so let me pause this video. If this is powering up, so yeah, here you just say Ubuntu save graphics. Yeah, as you see, after some time it loaded up, and you can see now we have the Ubuntu. Okay, Windows is a host and Linux is just a virtual machine. And set this up. These are all the basic things that you do. Yes. 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 Just give the password. Yes. Install. Yeah. Give the password that you have put it while you were setting this up. So it is ready now. So we can see that we have the interface of graphical user interface of Ubuntu. You can go to the home and you can go to the terminal and do all those things what you usually do. Go to home directory, go to the root directory and do ls, and you can see all the system folders in the root directory. So yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.